I decided to come to Medina Career Center because I actually work as a firefighter and EMT in Medina County, and I thought I would like to give back to the community and help our local departments grow with new firefighters and EMTs.
The program offers us a wide range of certifications like CPR certifications. I get registered to be a EMT soon, and my fire registration comes up next semester.
They can also gain certifications in what we call National Incident Management Systems, cardio resuscitation, driver's training for emergency vehicles. And then they also spend time with Medina Hospital, working in the ER, working on patients and working with the staff there. Potentially, these students can earn up to almost 20 credits at the state institutions, and sometimes with the privates, it's anywhere between 8 and 10 credits, but they can carry over almost everything that they earn in here to almost all of the state colleges. In the medical end of it, we cover everything from basic anatomy, any situation they may run into from a medical standpoint. And then in our fire training, we cover all of the skills that are required of you to be a firefighter in the state of Ohio.
When I grow up, obviously, I want to be a firefighter or EMT. So this 2 years of experience is going to help me greatly in my future.
Once these students graduate and move on, many of them get onto some of the local departments. So it's actually pretty rewarding to show up on calls, and they're actually there, and we're working more as colleagues versus teacher and student.
The best thing about this program is the people I'm around. It's definitely different from any other high school experience. It's fun for me, and I love it here.